In a dramatic political fallout that's left Action SA out in the cold, party leader Herman Mashaba has admitted the relationship with the African National Congress in Johannesburg has completely collapsed, just months after a power-sharing pact seemed to offer new hope for governance in South Africa's economic hub. This week, the fragile alliance between the two parties disintegrated in a spectacular fashion after ANC backed the removal of Action SA Speaker Nobutlim Tembu from the seat of Johannesburg Council. The move came in retaliation for Action SA's abstention during a no-confidence vote against Mayor Dada Morero, ironically a mayor they helped install. Mashaba said they thought they were punishing us by removing the speaker, but the truth be told, we are relieved. No one can hold a gun to our head while Johannesburg is collapsing. It was less than a year ago that Action SA played a crucial role in the election of Morero as a mayor. In return, the ANC lent support to Action SA's candidate for speaker, but the alliance has steadily eroded, marred by poor communication, broken promises, and what Mashaba calls a total disregard for ethical governance, and said from day one the relationship was difficult, citing a lack of consultation of major issues like the State of the City Address, the 2025 budget, and the controversial announcement of a so-called bomb squad earlier this month. Despite the collapse in Johannesburg, Action SA says it will remain part of the coalition governing Tswana at least for now. Insiders say Mashaba was politically outmaneuvered, accusing the African National Congress of using his party as a stepping stone to consolidate power, only to cast them aside once they'd served their purpose. Further intrigue surfaced when Mashaba claimed he was approached by former mayors Tapelo Ahmad and Kabelo Gwamanda, allegedly acting on behalf of the DA, seeking Action SA's support to remove Morero and reinstall Gwamanda. Mashaba recounted and said, I asked them, what nonsense are you talking about? Both Al-Jama and Democratic Alliance have denied the claim. DA Johannesburg caucus leader Belinda Kaiser added that no promises were made to Action SA regarding the speaker vote and said our motion to remove the speaker was inadmissible. But it's clear the ANC didn't keep its promise to Mashaba. It must be frustrating working with the people who can't even keep their word. Mashaba insisted that Action SA will now focus on being a strong independent opposition force free from strings attached, and said we'll go back to the opposition benches and hold the ANC accountable. We are not in politics to be used. The power vacuum left by Mtembu's removal has now thrown Johannesburg councils into temporal uncertainty. Councillors have 2 weeks to elect a new speaker, a process that will be presided over by acting city manager Tshepo Makola. Sources close to the coalition government suggest that a smaller party within the Government of National Unity may step in the role. Meanwhile, the ANC Gauteng spokesperson Mzee Khumalo defended Morero's position, calling his survival of no-confidence vote a sign of stability and leadership, and said under Dada Morero, Johannesburg is making visible and meaningful progress, pointing to efforts aimed at stabilizing governance and addressing service delivery. Yet, with no speaker in place and alliances fractured, Johannesburg's leadership hangs in a delicate balance. Whether Action SA's repositioning as a vocal opposition will bring political clarity or deepen the city's governance woes remains to be seen. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.